Yo, YouTube fam, what is going on, guys? I've had a lot of people ask me what indicators that I use to trade, so I'm going to go over the top three indicators that I personally prefer to trade with, and they actually work extremely well. They're extremely accurate. So, before we go into that, I want to tell you guys to also remind yourselves that on January 1st, I'm going to be launching my newest Forex course. It's going to have all updated information from 2019 and going into 2020 strategies that I use that have just helped me make a ton of money in the past year. And the reason as to why I'm doing this, not just to make more money, not just to sell more education, it's just to update the marketplace because I'm constantly growing as a trader every single day. I'm learning new things every single day. So I'm just updating you guys on what's going on. Obviously, I'm not going to price it at like $1,000, $2,000. It's going to be like 200, 300 maximum, maybe like $500. But obviously, when it first drops, it's going to be like $200 to $300. That's a price range that I'm gonna go with. But definitely make sure that you guys are on the wait list or you just have a reminder on your phone. And the way that you guys are going to be able to figure out the quickest about that course when it launches is on my Instagram. So there is a link on my Instagram below for you guys to actually connect with me. If you guys want to actually like get started trading more seriously today, message me, reach out to me, tell me what you guys don't understand, what you need help with, and I'll put you in the right direction. But like I said, guys, we're going to be going over in this video the top three indicators that I use as a trader. And the first one that I use, they're obviously like two that go together, but I would say they're separate indicators. The first one I use is the moving average. So for all of you that do not know, this is our desktop platform that we use to trade, tradingview.com. It's 100% free. You guys don't have to pay. I think they do have a membership option, but I honestly don't even use it because I'm fine with the indicators that I have. But the first indicator that I use is the moving average. So you guys can go right here to indicators. You're going to type in moving average and it's right there. So I already have it on my chart. And what you're going to do is put the moving average twice. But what you're going to do on the settings for the first one is you're going to make the length 20 on the first one, okay? And then for the second one, for the settings, you're going to have the length is 50. So you can see that there's different moving averages on the screen. This green line going through, that's our 50 length moving average right there. And that red line going through, that's our 20 length moving average. So with indicators, or I mean the moving average, what they really help us do is figure out major points of support and resistance in the market. You guys can see that we have the 20% moving average right above these candles right here. Came up, hit the moving average, tested it right there, and then we had a drop. And then you guys can see in the past right here that it was resistance as well for the 20 length moving average. Here's the 50 length kind of supplying as resistance, and then we broke through that zone right there. And then the second indicator, the third indicator I should say, is the Bollinger Band. So you guys can go to indicators, type in BOL, and there it is right there. I just have the default setting set to it, so I don't have any special settings on the Bollinger Band. I just have it set. And the Bollinger Band is this cloud going around the candles. So it also helps us find like major points of support and resistance when the market's overbought or oversold. So you guys can see, look right here how we have like a massive W pattern on the daily chart. And right here, we have that doji right at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So we could have saw this doji close as a doji. We could have saw that it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and we could have most likely said, all right, well, we're going to see a reversal in the market pretty soon. We're pretty much oversold at this point. We need to see a reversal up. So just by seeing that doji right at the Bollinger Band, you could have saw a buy opportunity. Quick little setup. I would have set it up like this. Put it at current market price, move my stops up. I would have put the stops a little bit below the Bollinger Band just to be safe. Like right, my computer should, right there, right outside the Bollinger Band. That's where I would put my stop loss. Obviously move this in. Okay, there's our stops. Take profit would be at previous resistance. And whenever I'm using this icon, this little mouse icon, look to the left. Do you guys see all these little dotted lines that go across the chart right here? So usually when I'm moving like my take profit or my stop loss, I'm looking to the left where that zone is hitting those dotted lines, where certain zones are hitting those dotted lines. So right here, look at how we hit it right there. We hit it right there. We hit it right there. We hit it right here in the past. So that is a valid point of resistance. That's where I would have put my take profits at. And it probably wouldn't have got smashed there, but that's fine. We had a quick 90 pips we could have caught right there to a 24 pip risk, and that's a 3 to 7 risk reward ratio, higher than what we actually need it to be. So that's a valid setup right there. But simply just looking at the doji, that's what I saw. It's a doji, and I saw it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, meaning that it's pretty much oversold. So if you guys were wondering what indicators I use, here they are. Here's a quick setup on IC on Euro USD. Honestly, don't think that we're gonna have more momentum push up on Euro USD. So right here, that's a spinning top right there, or a shooting star candle. So that's giving us confirmation of a sell. It's at the top of the Bollinger Band. That pin hit it. So right now is like a great opportunity to sell. I'd have my stops above this pin, like right there, just for safety precautions in case this one wants to jump up and kind of hit it. And then I'd have take profits down here as support where it hit right there and right there at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So it's really easy when you're using these indicators. This is, like I said, the 3 top indicators I use. Make sure you guys have subscribed. If you could like this video, that'd be awesome. And guys, I appreciate every single one of you viewing my videos, sharing them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.